Hi friends, welcome to Jyothi IT Solutions. Now I am going to show you how to take a Docker Swarm backup and restore. In production environment, it's always a good idea to backup critical data. Backing up Docker Swarm data is fairly simple. To backup, do the following on Swarm Manager. First, stop the Docker service. Backup all the data in the directory where lib docker swarm. Then start the Docker service. As well as to restore from backup, stop the Docker service and delete an existing files or directories under where lib docker swarm. Then copy the backed up files to where lib docker swarm and start Docker service. You can see in the end with the docker node ls command. It will display the docker node information. Now let's move on to lab. I am in Docker Swarm master. I will run first docker node ls syntax. Here it's showing one master, leader is and all are active under ready status, and you can see the version. Every node having 18.09.5 version. Now I am going to stop the Docker service. Sudo system ctl stop docker is the command to stop the Docker service. You can see with status command. Is dead inactive. And next I will copy the entire Docker Swarm system into a tar file. For that sudo tar -g gbcf zipped verbose created file backup .tar .gz, then where /lib /docker /swarm. This command backed up entire Docker Swarm data into a backup.tar.gz file. Then I will start the Docker service. Docker sudo systemctl start docker. You can see Docker is active and running. Now we will see how to restore the backup. I will stop again the Docker service. Sudo systemctl stop docker. Now I I will delete any existing files or directories under varlib docker swarm. For this command sudo rm-rf varlib docker swarm store all files, and I will give the enter. It is remove this command, any existing files or directories is there. I will copy the backed up files to varlib docker swarm. For this command is sudo tar -jpod extract verbose file backup, file name backup.tar.gz uppercase C for copy /var/lib/docker/swarm/ exist error is not recoverable, child return provided some spelling mistake, G not GX, GZ, enter. It came up. Sudo, I am going to start the docker service again. System ctl start docker. Yeah, I started the docker service. You can see the status running. At the end, docker docker node ls. It's working. In this way we can take backup and restore the production server swarm system entire backup. One more important thing is in docker is namespaces and C groups. What is namespaces and C groups? Namespaces are a Linux technology that allows processes to be isolated in terms of the resources that they see. They can be used to present different processes from interfering or interacting with one another. Docker uses namespaces to isolate containers. This technology allows containers to operate independently and securely. Docker uses namespaces such as the following to isolate resources for containers: PID, process isolation, network interfaces, IPC, inter-process communication, MNT, file system mounts, UTS, kernel and version identifiers. User namespaces requires special configuration, allows containers container processes to run as root inside the container while mapping that user to an unprivileged user on the host. Next thing is C groups. What is C groups? Docker engine on Linux also relies on another technology called control groups, that is called C groups. A C group limits an application to a specific set of resources. Control groups allow Docker engine to share available hardware resources to containers and optionally enforce limits and constraints. For example, you can limit the memory available to a specific container. You will give the resources in our docker run command. That this C groups and namespaces is widely using in Kubernetes. This is regarding swam manager backup, swam manager data backup, and how to restore we learn in this video. And we may see groups and namespaces also. I give the notes here, and I will provide the all commands in my video description. You can take and practice those commands and familiar with Docker. Thanks friends, subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries or doubts, or if you get any errors, please put a comment. I will reply you. Thank you.